Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Another winning day. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips, especially all the yen pair. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, and then I will show you the best trade pair we had it today. And let's dig into the Euro USD first. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at here, this is the FOMC reaction, as you can see here, and price nicely respected. And this morning the price was around this level. That's what I explained my trader, if the price is going to respect. So we expecting a reversal at this level. We had such a nice beautiful short trade here, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you all the entries and exit. Okay, so if you look at here, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session, because you can see here that was the reaction of the FOMC meeting. So that was a pretty straightforward beautiful breakout based on the momentum. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, that's what I explained my trader. And let's see, bank some profit. Let's see if we can find a continuation or reversal. More likely we were expecting a reversal. As you can see here, the price nicely reversed impulsively, and that's what I explained. Look for this point of interest. If the price gonna break, we should be taking a short trade here and pull back. So we had a one breakout, price nicely hit to the previous low level. First target, bank some profit, and explain my trader. Let's wait for another price action. As you can see here, price reverse, and explain my trader, look for another breakout. Beautiful. As you can see, sort of like a head and shoulder pattern is developing intraday. That was a pretty standard and beautiful breakout. As you can see here, price could not broken above the previous highs, and that was a beautiful short trade here. Bank amazing profit on Euro USD after banking some profit at the New York session. Once the price reverse, that's again explained to my trader, if the price gonna continue, we are looking this target. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, then take a short trade here. As you can see here, once the price develop double top here, as you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, because we have an early rejection. And that's what I explained my trader, guys, these are the end of the last month, so just bank some profit and enjoy. All right, so let me share with you the pound dollar. We had amazing trade on pound dollar too. And if you look at the pound dollar, this is the reaction of FOMC meeting. So this morning we had an amazing trade. Let me show you the this morning analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. We had this. Okay, so you can see here that this was the this morning analysis, sideways market. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful long trade here, and afterwards price keep respecting it, could not break the previous high. As you can see here, this is the impulsive reversal, and price could not maintain above this level. That's the price action, and even in the 4 hour, and that's what I explained my trade, if the price gonna break, just keep taking a short trade and keep taking a pullback. So we had a nice pullback. So our target was around this level, previous high, in 4 hour, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, again look for pullback. As you can see here, price nicely broke on this pattern, and after the breakout, price developed another. And if you look at here, another head and shoulder pattern, beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, as that's what I explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here, pound dollar banking amazing profit, and dollar CAD, we had a beautiful, if you look at this, this was the reaction of FOMC meetings, and we were expecting sort of like a reversal at this level. We also had a short trade at the Asian session, but at the New York session we're expecting a reversal. Beautiful long trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward and beautiful trade here. If you look at, this is the analysis at the Asian session. This is the FOMC reaction, and explain my trader, price develop a sideways correction, so expecting another breakout. Price nicely broken and hit profit target around this level, bank amazing profit. And afterwards, as always, look for another pullback. At the London morning session, we had another beautiful pullback short trade here, banking few more PPs. And at the New York session, as you can see here, we have a major support level, expecting price could not maintain above this previous low, which is broken. That's the sign of reversal. Momentum was bullish. price nicely broken, beautiful breakout, and after the breakout, price develop another pullback as soon as the price hit this level in 4 hour, and that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys, we had amazing trades on all the pairs. The best trade, the best pair, we had it all the yen pair. We had amazing trades, all the yen pair, pound, euro, pound, yen. If you look at here, we've been short from here, bank amazing profit. And euro yen, we also had a beautiful short trade here, as you can see here. That's what I explained my trade. If the price gonna break, we have a free traffic, bank amazing profit. And the best trade I had it, that was the pound yen we had it today, guys. If you look at here, this is the news reaction, and the news reaction with the FOMC meeting. And this morning, that's what I explained my trader. Look here, price technically should respect, and price did not respect this level. We had an impulsive breakout. If the price gonna retest this level, we are expecting at this beautiful short trade here, and then keep taking a pullback. And that's the beautiful trades guide we had it on pound yen. Let me share with you how I analyze entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Okay, so if you look at this morning, just before London Open, you can see here we had a long trade here. After the long trade at this level, if you look at, let me make a slide, let me make it clear, 4 hour chart, then I'll explain to you what I'm meaning. Okay, so if you look at this 4 hour chart, we had this beautiful long trade here. This the long trade here, bank amazing profit at this level. From there we had a short trade here, so we're squeezing every PPs we had. You can see here in pound yen, that was the beautiful breakout. After the breakout, beautiful pullback long here and pullback long here, bank amazing profit. And then afterward, if you look at here, price develop another rising wedge, that's the sign of reversal. And 4 hour we were expecting a short, as you can see here. After this breakout, as explained my trader, just keep taking a pullback, guys. We have taken all this pullback, bank amazing profit on pound yen. After banking this profit at the New York session, as you can see here, we have another beautiful breakout. As such, my trader target is this level. As soon as the price broken, all this pullback, bank amazing profit, and the trader was expecting possibility of reversal. And then I did another price action analysis, explain my trader, don't look the long until the price gonna break this level, otherwise the priority is still bearish. As you can see here, price nicely broken as mentioned on the analysis, and beautiful pullback here as soon as the price hit to the support level and the final target. And then I explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So guys, you can see how we analyze the market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, and helping my traders to banking profit every single day. All right, so as always, the most important part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time. Or if you are struggling in this forex trading, this is the platform where I coach and train my traders with a live market every single day. If you are interested how I coach and train with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so most welcome. Join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.